Hello my dear friends, my name is Ranjay and you are watching a Java tutorial series in my channel. So in this video I am going to discuss about the interface. So last video we have discussed about the abstract method, abstract class. Now in this video we are going to discuss about the interface. Okay, so we are creating the project interface, testing, and just finish it. We will get the interface project. So we have created the interface project. Now click on the interface and here you just click the classes, and we are taking a class as device and click on the main method. We will get this. So we have got this class as a main method. Now in order to implement the interface, what we will have to do, we have a keyword interface, and we need to give the name of the interface. Suppose we are taking this name as a TV, and within the curly braces what the interface says, that all the method present in the interface must be declared, not defined, and it must be the public abstract. Without public abstract you cannot declare any method. So all the method present in the interface must be public abstract. Okay, void screen, we are taking this method and declaring it. Okay, just declare here. Now another method I'm taking, void, okay, display. So we have two method present in this declaring. So we have two method, a public abstract, it is already written. So, so all the method present in interface is public abstract, so you do not need to write the public abstract within this curly braces. Okay, now one important point is that you cannot create the object of the interface also. So now in order to implement both the method which is declared in the interface, what you need to do, you must have a class which implements the interface. The important point is the implement the keyword. The keyword implements, suppose we have a class, suppose that we are taking LG as a class which implements TV interface. Okay, so in this way you will write this, and see here it is showing error because you must have to define both the method which is present in the interface. So method which is used to bring in this define must be public screen public void screen. This is the method we are defining. Suppose we are sending some message that 34 screen is present. So we have defined one method. Now one method is also need to be defined. So similarly, public void display. No, so this method display is also defined in this implementing class. Okay, so just print some message also in order to get the output. Okay, so we are giving some output as a full HD. Okay, we have declared both the method in the implementing classes, that is LG. Okay, now what we need to create here, we cannot create the object of the interface. In order to create the object, we create the reference of that interface and the object of the implementing class, like this. See, we have the interface as a TV. We take a reference variable as a t1 is equal to new, and here implementing class is LG. Okay, so we have successfully created, and see, all the no error is also coming. So we have got the object, and when you call the method, suppose t1 dot display is also coming, and t1 dot screen. Okay, so we have got both the method, and we have successfully called that method. And so just what you will have to do, you just save this and run this program, and we will see the result of this. Okay, so here go run as Java application. So it is running. Okay, so here we have got the output as a full HD. Here we have the method as a full HD. We are calling this first display and then a screen. So 34-inch screen is present. So we have got the result as well. So in this interface method, you must have to remember that you cannot create the object of the interface. You can create the reference of the object, and the implementing class, you can create the object of the implementing class. Okay, now the all the method present in interface before Java 1.8 is, just remember, before 1.8, in the 1.8 and 1.9, little bit changed has been displayed in the Java interface. So I will discuss just after this. Okay, so here we have the two method which must be the public abstract. All the method in the interface must be public and abstract, and these method only declared in the interface. So these 3 points are important. Now after see, in Java 1.8 and 1.8, what the Java says, that you can define a method whose access modifier is default. So if we have this type of default method show, okay, then we can have the body. So we can declare within the interface, or suppose we have a keyword, we have a access modifier as a default, and the method void show, then we do not need to only declare, we can define also inside the interface. So this can work only on the Java 1.8. okay, so see here, what you print something in order to see the result. So save this and run this. Sorry, what you will have to do, you have to call this method. I have not called, sorry for that. Here what you have to, t1 dot show, this method is also coming. So this is true. Now you just run this program. So here we are getting the output of the default method. So default method does not require any implementing class. So this is the another point, and one another method is included in this, that you can take a static method also. So suppose you have static void run is present within the interface. So we have this method, and this is printing. Just save this, and after saving this, what we have to do, see, suppose every static method does not require any object to call. In order to call this static method, you just have to give the name of the class. So we have a class or interface class tv dot, and you will get the method here. So we have got, so in the further video I will take a video, I will make a video on the static keyword, static method class. Okay, so for time being, you just remember that the any of the static method which is used to call in the main method, you need only the class name. So suppose we have a class name tv, then tv dot run. Just here save this and run this program. See the what we have printed running, and we have got this output as a running. So we have tested all the method in the interface. So this, I think it can help you more in this interface tutorial. So if you like this video, please put a like and comment and share this video in order to get the information to the others, and press the bell icon. Please subscribe our channel for the future video. Thanks for watching.